Okay, guys, we're
You guys understand the rules? You guys understand the rules?
Now you see me, now you don't. Stop, it's so annoying.
Oh Lord, I need you now.
Guys, you guys have 5 seconds to hide. 5, 4, 3. Bro, stop!
The world to my head,
Stop.
just to find out your ways better.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Your ways
Okay, you guys
better.
have to try and kill me before I get.
Oh, I don't have any weapons. Didn't say we had it. Did it again. You revive me, guys. You have to revive me. No, you have to revive me.
For the ways that you bless me, everything
This is
you
called
make
teamwork.
waves like a jet ski. You love every part of me, even when I was messy. Now I see the art in your beauty, so I can finally sing out. Oh, a Jara provider.
come here,
Can I have the back, please?
Always
Where's the plug? Grab this and run.
these days you're a lighter, my messiah.
Come here, go.
I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together? I searched the world to my head just to find out your ways
please give it back.
better.
Please give it back.
Your ways
Look, I got you.
Give it back, bro. Just give it back.
your ways better.
Friendly black route.
Bro, just give it back.
Oh, I died.
He'll give it back. I'll give it back. I'll give it back.
I need you
Okay, give it back.
ever. Would you
Bro, give it back.
my heart back together?
I'll give it back.
The world to my
mine.
head just to find out
Give it.
your ways
See, guys, this is how people use their stuff, and it's so fun.
Your ways better. Your ways
I
better.
know my controller.
Your ways better. Jesus. Your ways better.
You have to press the first button.
Your ways better.
No, that's the second button. The first button, I said. Give me the first. Bro, give it back. Actually, stop. Actually, give it back. Put it in your. Bro, stop. Give it back.
Oh, he had a
Give
golden
it back
gun.
to him.
Bro, give it back. Bro, give it back.
Pug, join me. Pug, join me.
Give it
Pug,
back.
join
Give
me.
it back to Red.
Give it back.
Pug, join me. Join me.
Yeah, real. Give it back.
Back to me.
Here, gold. I mean, frog, take it. Since it's your color.
Already.
Oh,
Bro, stop. Give it back. Please, give it back.
I can already buy one.
Come on.
Please give it back.
Watch this. Check this out.
Stop, bro.
Hey guys,
give it back.
if you want to
Look
send
at
me a
this.
video or
Guys,
do a
look at
video
this.
with me,
No, no.
code is blackout. Hopefully he'll join me. Thank you. Why is this? Why is it going down? Ew, I don't want to be on. I like some. Huh? Ew. This is so fun.
Wishes you were
Friendly
dead.
frog.
here.
You're a cool
This is literally why everyone wishes you were dead.
frog.
This
Friend me.
literally
You're a cool
why-
No, that's not
Everyone
nice.
wishes you were dead.
Chill out.
This
Red.
frog.
literally why
Friend
everyone
me.
wishes
Friend me
you were
out.
dead.
You're a cool guy. Friend me. Friend me. You're a cool guy. Okay.
I like
Okay,
the
everybody explode him.
Frog. You're a cool guy.
Oh my god!
Bro, actually stop.
You are better. Uh-oh. You
I
are
remember.
better.
You die again. That's crazy, bro. Oh damn, he got doubled. He got doubled. He got doubled. I'm
Yeah,
running.
you got doubled. Humbled, chat. Humbled. Wow. Humble him. W Froggy Boy. W Froggy Boy? W Froggy Boy? Is this aura for Froggy Boy?
Oh my god.
Bro got
down.
one shot.
Bro got one tap.
Can we just play it now?
He's gonna ARP. He's not playing. It's not. That's not gonna be fun, guys.
Oh, he left.
Guys,
Can
who
we
wants
just
100?
play now?
This is another video I'm making. Okay, I'm making a video, guys, right now. Who wants 100 Animal Company coins? Don't kill me.
A video? You have a video?
I'm making a video right now. Who wants 100 company coins? You didn't have to kill me.
Yeah,
Who
but
wants
you have
100
red
company
ones.
coins? Do you guys want 100 company coins or not?
Me, I want 100 company.
Okay, the code, you have to hit the green frog, and the code is TikTok 100K. If you want,
Bro, I
I'll
already
put it on the
have
screen.
that.
It's TikTok
Look,
100K.
guys. Okay, I gave it back to somebody else. I sold it and gave it to somebody else.
No one loves you.
Red,
Yes,
you
these
can't
guys
be
love
talking.
me. Yeah, Bucko, you look like a rat.
Okay, whoa. Let's
I'm joking. I'm
let's
joking.
say I'm making a video, so YouTube's not gonna like that. Okay, what do you guys want to do?
Okay, Master.
What's something
Oh,
fun?
he's right here. You look like a baboon chicken bone looking like
Guys,
a big bone
everybody
chicken
go
bone.
to the moon, but don't kill each other. Everybody go to the moon.
Bone.
Everybody go to the
Big
moon.
zone.
Everybody go to the moon.
Okay. Sorry, I
It's
had to
TikTok
rap.
100K.
I had to roast him.
Guys, everybody go to the moon, but don't kill each other. Do not kill. No killy willies.
You have a big willy? What?
Okay. No killy willies.
You have a big willy?
No.
Oh, so
Actually, that's true.
Wait a minute.
I have a big willy too.
Okay, no.
Wait for Frog. Wait for Frog. Frog, come with us.
Don't
Come with
push
us.
the
Frog. Wait for
button.
Frog.
La 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 la.
No free boon prevents a boon.
Spear.
Frog, where are you?
Did you push a button?
What's to do feed dupe inglet?
I have a VPN if you want money.
I'm a
but I
crowbar
don't wanna do
guy.
it. What are you gonna do?
money. I need money. I'm support and bro.
I'm running. Spider-Man, 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 Spider-Man.
Red
Where'd
watch.
the frog go?
I did not try to kill you.
He left. He left. He
Why are you
went
Red Watch?
bye-bye.
Why are you red watch?
Because he killed me.
I killed him. Why was that so zesty? Because he killed me.
I wish I had sticky dynamite or.
By the way, I'm a bounty hunter. I'm a bounty hunter.
Damn.
I'm a bounty hunter. I revive you now.
So you're a bounty? Wait, no, you're a bounty.
I
No, give me my stuff.
Yeah, I'm a bounty hunter.
You're a bounty hunter. You're a beady
I'm a
booty.
Can we go get some eggs and make some cool stuff?
Where?
Yeah. Yeah.
You
Oh,
look super hot. You're so hot.
stop.
Big
Who are
guy.
you,
Stop.
babe?
You have a
Who
big
are you? Who are you?
TY.
He's on my friend. He's on my friends list.
Wait,
one of mine.
TY, do you know the thing? The thing that gives you 100
Wait,
animal
are
company
you the
coins?
one cat guy? Are you the one cat person that gave me the quiver and then my friend stole it? Yeah, you're that guy. You play on the charger. Yeah,
Do
you
you-
are
wait.
that guy. You are. Do you remember me?
Do you want 100 company coins?
I don't know.
I wanted
Yes.
the VP.
If you want one
The
If you
code is
want
TikTok
100
100K.
company
It's a
coins,
frog.
then it's called
It's
TikTok 100K.
No, this guy's
Yeah,
my friend.
I
He
used
gave
to
me a
be-
he's a
quiver.
fend. He's a
Gave me
defend.
quiver.
Oh man, I want a quiver.
It's TikTok
I always wanted a quiver.
TOK.
I always
100K.
wanted a quiver.
I'll put it up
You gave me
again,
that,
guys.
by the way.
for this
You gave me
video.
that quiver, so I owe you a quiver.
I always wanted a quiver.
You want
I always
it?
wanted a
Yeah, I'll
quiver.
redeem it.
Okay.
Here, take this quiver that
Ooh,
you
a
gave me
quiver.
so long ago.
No,
I want a
want it.
quiver so
I'm
Give
bad.
me a quiver, remember?
Okay, I'm gonna tell people the new code. Why is this taking something? Guys, oh, there's a modder. No, YouTube, no. But,
You can't even sell these.
guys, who wants
Go
a
to spawn point the other way.
100 Animal Company coins?
Money code.
Who wants 100 Animal Company coins? Who wants 3? Ooh.
Yeah. Oh, we're America! I took the sell machine out of it.
We're America.
Money code.
Boys, it's America now. I don't need this. I don't need this stuff. I need this stuff.
Money code.
Dude, who is doing this?
Revive me, please. Can't do anything.
It's the egg, it's the egg.
Y'all guys welcome for the giveaway. Y'all guys welcome for the giveaway. Appreciate it.
Okay.
Wait, what's your name?
Hey, help me. Hey!
Joining a different code. No one knows. They're not gonna. Okay, who wants this stuff? You get it, and then you get it. And then
Yellow, I might see it. I
guys
can't
want
give
this
you
big Guys, who wants 100 Animal Company coins? Go to couch if you want 100 Animal Company coins.
I already have one.
I can't give you
Guys, who wants 100 Who wants 100 Animal Company coins?
Love it.
Go
Put
to
it in
couch.
the inventory, okay?
Go to
Put
couch
it
if
in.
you want 100 Animal Company coins. Okay, press the green button. The button. And then type
Wait, it's already pressed for me.
Okay.
Oh, I've already redeemed the
Okay, there you go.
TI TikTok 100K.
No,
It's
follow me.
TikTok 100K.
Let's go to the moon.
Turn blue if you want.
So guys, that's the new code in Animal Company. I'll put it right here again. But yeah, see you guys later. We did steal that backpack. Nah. But he was mean and annoying. Yeah. I'll see you guys later.
Wait,
Like and
space?
subscribe to Blackout
Space or no
VR.
space?
No spaces,
Space or
no
no
spaces. Subscribe to Blackout VR and have a great day.